everyone, welcome back to Socially Connected. My name is Himesha. Today I'm going to give you 7 insightful gift ideas. Now, these gift ideas are mostly aimed at Christmas, but some of these gift ideas can be used for birthdays and anniversaries and other occasions. Now, I have 7 gift ideas, and for some gift ideas I have a couple of examples. Now, I must say, one of these examples are not handmade and one of these examples are not eco-friendly. Apart from that, all the other gift ideas are and examples are eco-friendly and handmade. But why handmade? I love receiving and giving handmade gifts because handmade gifts are special because someone is making it for you, spend all that time to make it for you because you're special to them. And handmade gifts are unique because if I make something, it's a original Himesha. It's you can't find it in a shop. And my favorite reason is that when I make something for someone, that person is in my thoughts the whole time I'm making it, and the best place to be is in someone's thoughts. Now, enough talking, let's get to work. Gift idea number 1 is something everyone loves, which is food. Now, I have this auntie who has a really sweet tooth, and I made her this cake. It's a fruit cake, and look at it. It smells delicious and it looks scrumptious. Now, not just cake, you can make pickles, chutneys, jams, or some cookies, and I made these gingerbread cookies. The icing part was quite adventurous, but I enjoyed it. And I used some edible glitter because it's Christmas. Of course, when you gift it, you can put it in a jar, which is eco-friendly, There you go. Next gift idea number 2 is decorations. Decorations play a big part in Christmas, and I'm going to make this dried orange slices decoration for my best friend. I researched a lot how to dry orange slices, but most blogs say is not the correct way to do it. I'll quickly show you how I did it. First, we are going to cut the orange into thin slices like this. Next, get a kitchen towel and lay your orange slices, and then fold it in half and squash it down. This way you get all that extra juice out. And then I also use a piece of paper towel and do the same thing. This way it takes even less time in the oven. Now all the orange, lemon and lime slices are in, but all the blogs tell you to shut the door and leave it for 3 to 4 hours and turn them around once in a while. What I found out was the juice in these slices turn into steam and it just circulates around. So rather than drying it, it's cooking it. And I opened the door every 15 minutes to let the steam out. It still didn't work. Then what I tried was I left a fork between the door and the oven like that. So this way, whatever steam is produced constantly keeps coming out rather than being stuck in there, and it only takes half an hour to 1 hour to dry all these slices now. There you go, you can have perfect dried orange slices within an hour. The other day I went to Hobbycraft. 4 dried orange slices were £3. It's very expensive. Instead, you can make it yourself, and it will be so special because you made it yourself, and it's an eco-friendly decoration compared to all this plastic, shiny, glittery other decorations. I'll quickly show you how I make it. So you need some cinnamon sticks as well, twine, piece of twine, and a dried orange slice. So easy to make it. So you make a hole and you put the twine through the orange slice. There you go, like that. And I made a hole in this cinnamon stick using a drill, electric drill. So you can do the same. And then put it through the cinnamon stick. There you go, almost there. There you go. Okay, and then do 1 knot. and then do another knot making a loop so you can hang it on the tree. There you go. Ta-da! I also made this long one. Look how pretty that is. Ta-da! Another handmade decoration is felt decorations. Now this is a Christmas tree hanging decoration I made for a Christmas tree. You can make Santa faces or elves or fairies using felt. It's so easy. Next one, gift idea number 3 is dry food. Now you know my newest found love is making pasta. So I made this Christmas colored pasta for one of my cousins. He's a real foodie and he's going to love it. Now I didn't put eggs in this dough. I just put water so he can keep this on a shelf up to 3 months, no problems. And I'll quickly show you how I made them. Did you see how fun that was? I would say out of all the gifts, pasta takes the longest, but it's totally worth it. They will really appreciate it, you know, while they're cooking it and then while they're eating it. They will just really appreciate your effort that you made to make them happy. I know this is food just like cake, but this is dry food. Cake you've already cooked, this one they have to cook. Another idea is you can make a blend of curry powder, or you can make a blend of seasoning, or a blend of tea, something that they could make and have fun making it, and then of course tasting is fun as well. Next gift idea number 4 is jewelry. Now I made this for my daughter. Her favorite color is purple, so I made a purple beads necklace. Now this is the one gift I told you which is not eco-friendly, but if you make it with crystal beads it will be more eco-friendly and more precious. Now I also want to make her a bracelet to go with this. I'll quickly show you how I make it. I got these beads from Hobbycraft and I got this kit here online. This was about £10 and it's got all these wires and little gadgets you need to make basic jewelry, and you have these pliers as well. So we're going to use this wire which is with metal and nylon. Rather than putting one bead at a time, if you do this you get about 4 beads in one go, and you can just put them in, which is much quicker. And now I'm going to use this tiny bead here which can be squashed to secure the beads, and then we put one of these rings. Bead the same wire back in this tiny ring here. We put the wire back through that. Squash this here. See? Squash now. It wouldn't move. So now we cut this piece of wire here. There you go. See? And then the beads won't fall out. Now we do the same thing for the other side, but I made this bracelet in just under 5 minutes. It was so quick and it was so easy to make it, and this is going to be so precious for her because her mom made this for her. Another handmade jewelry you can make is a friendship band. Friendship bands are really good for teenagers or sports fans if you make them in their colors, you know, colors of their clubs or country. Now this is a design I discovered myself when I was about 16 years old. I'll quickly show you how I make it. So you can tie it onto a door handle like this. Keep doing your knots. And now I'm going to do white color. And then when you get to the end, you make another knot, and then either side you do a plait. I know it looks confusing, but have a go, you will get the hang of it like that. Now this is a rainbow colored one I made for myself years ago, and this is a friendship band again I made for myself, which is in Cornish colors, black and white. Cornwall is where I live, and this is a one made with Sri Lankan flag colors, and this one is black and gold. This is for my brother. Those are his school colors. Next, gift idea number 5 is a piece of art. Now, when I say art, there are many possibilities. It could be clay, ceramic, carpentry, acrylic painting, watercolor painting, oil painting, you know, there are many possibilities. I'm not a major artist, but I've been going to acrylic painting classes recently, and I sent pictures of my paintings to my friends and family, and again one of my aunties were like, can I have that painting for Christmas? And I didn't think it was good enough, so I recreated the painting on a canvas which can be displayed. So it's like an autumn scene and reflection on water. You can see it's not perfect, it's not a, you know, masterpiece, but I made it, so you know, she's going to love it because I made it for her, and it's art. She's going to love it. So if you can make something using your skills, it doesn't have to be perfect. Even if you get some clay and make a elephant, and you know, or you know, a figure or something, you know, they're going to absolutely love it because you made it, and they can just put it on a shelf and look at it, and it will last forever as well. Next, gift idea number 6 is a plant. Now this is a pothos plant, and I cut a piece from my very long pothos plant and I propagated it in water, and I planted it in this inner pot and put it in this outer pot. It's red color because it's Christmas. Rather than buying a plant, propagating from one of your plants is more special because then it's an extension of what you have. I'm going to gift this to one of my best friends. I know she's going to love this. Okay, the last one, gift idea number 7, is a book. I got this for one of my friends. She is planning to grow her own vegetables and fruits from next spring. This is the one gift example I told you, which is not handmade. Of course you can write your own book if you're clever enough to do that. I'm not, so I have to rely on buying books. I think a book is always a wholesome gift. Now, just buying or hand making gifts is not enough. You have to wrap them up. Now I'll show you how I wrap my gift in the most eco-friendly and most beautiful way I can. There you go, you saw how beautiful and natural those gifts look like in the end. Next, when you are in shop, pick up some brown paper and some twine, and just before you wrap your gift, just go for a little winter walk and pick up some berries and holly branches and some fern. You're all set. I hope you got some ideas and I inspired you to have a go at handmade gifts. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Your loved ones will be so proud of you and you will make them so happy. Now, if you have any handmade gift ideas, please let me know on the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and do share on social media, and don't forget to press that bell icon and do subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye bye!